All right, today we're taking a closer look at Erode Sengunthar Engineering College. Now, if you're gearing up for TNEA counseling, the single most important number to remember right from the get-go is its TNEA Code, 2707.
The first thing that really jumps out is that this is an autonomous institution with a 30-year legacy. That combination, academic freedom paired with decades of experience, is a pretty powerful signal of both stability and, of course, quality.
So let's break that down. What does that actually mean for you as a student? Well, it was established back in 1995, so it's a well-established, mature institution. The autonomous part is a big deal. It gives them the freedom to update their curriculum and run their own exams. This means what you study is much more likely to be in sync with what the industry needs right now. And the fact that it's managed by the Erode Sengunthar Mahajana Sangam, that points to a really strong, community-backed foundation.
Okay, so the college clearly has a solid history, but how does it really stack up against national standards today? Let's get into the hard data, its accreditations and rankings.
For any engineering college, a key benchmark of quality is the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA, and Erode Sengunthar has managed to secure this for a significant 6 of its undergraduate programs. That's a really solid number.
And as you can see, we're talking about all the core engineering branches here: civil, computer science, ECE, EEE, IT, and mechanical. Having every single one of these accredited all the way through 2026 is a very strong statement about their consistent quality across the board.
Now, beyond just the traditional academics, the college has also been making a name for itself by really focusing on building an innovation ecosystem on campus.
And this isn't just talk. This focus on innovation is actually backed by national-level recognition. In the 2023 NIRF Innovation Rankings, the college landed in the 51 to 100 band. For a college of its kind, that's a pretty big achievement, and it really points to a campus culture that actively encourages and supports new ideas.
So, with that strong foundation of quality and a clear focus on innovation, let's dive into the specific programs you can actually choose from in the upcoming TNEA counseling.
Here's the full breakdown. You've got your foundational branches like civil, EEE, and mechanical, each with an intake of 60 seats. Then you have the really high-demand programs, computer science and ECE, both with a healthy 120 seats. What's also interesting is that the college is clearly keeping up with modern trends, offering a pretty substantial 120 seats in artificial intelligence and data science, plus another 60 in computer science and business systems.
So as you're thinking about these options, just keep that crucial number in mind for your choice-filling process. Again, the TNEA code is 2707.
All right, the academics look solid. The program options are good. But what about the bottom line? The thing that many students and parents are most concerned about, career outcomes. Let's talk placements.
And here it is. The college is reporting a 95% placement figure for its 2025 graduating batch. That is a very, very strong number, and it speaks volumes about how prepared its students are for the job market.
So who's hiring these graduates? Well, in the IT and product space, you see some major names coming to campus. We're talking about companies like TCS, UST, and Hexaware Technologies. This definitely shows strong industry connections, especially in the tech world. But it's not just about IT. The opportunities really spread out from there. You can see they also have recruitment from core engineering giants like Renault Nissan Technologies and even major players in the finance sector like HDFC Bank. This really points to a diverse range of career paths for their graduates.
Okay, great career prospects are absolutely vital, but what about the day-to-day life on campus? Let's quickly cover some of the essential facilities.
So for students who are coming from out of town, the college has got you covered. There are separate hostels for both boys and girls. And the mess caters to different tastes, with both veg and non-veg food options available.
Now, in terms of getting to and from the college, there is a bus facility available. And for anyone traveling by train, you'll be glad to know the nearest railway stations are Perundurai and Erode Junction, which makes the campus pretty accessible.
Just so you know, all the information we've presented here has been carefully sourced directly from the college's official website and verified government portals to make sure it's as accurate as possible at the time we put this together.
We really hope this detailed breakdown helps you make a more informed decision. For more deep dives into engineering colleges, be sure to visit profsam.com. It's your true source for 12 to engineering decisions.